In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable PDF to your Squarespace website. This is a handy feature if you want to offer something like a brochure, pricing guide, or an ebook directly on your site for your visitors to download. Let's dive into the steps and see how it's done. First, head over to your Squarespace dashboard where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your site content. From there, you should click on your site title. This is typically located at the top of your screen, and by clicking here, it takes you to the main navigation area. Now that you're in the main menu, look for the Edit Pages option and click on it. This allows you to access the page editor for your site, where you can modify existing content or add new blocks. Once you've clicked Edit Pages, select the page you want to make changes to. In this example, let's say you want to add the PDF to a specific product page titled Shop Our Favorite Soaps. Click on that page to open it. You're now ready to add a new element to the page. Locate and click on the Add Block button. This feature lets you incorporate various elements like text, images, or buttons into your page layout. For our task, we want to add a button that visitors can click to access the PDF. After clicking Add Block, look for the button option and select it. This creates a new button element on your page. It's important for the button to have a descriptive label, making it clear to users that clicking it will initiate the download. For simplicity, let's label this button as Learn More. With the button in place, you'll want to highlight its text. By highlighting the text, you can add a link that, when clicked, will prompt the PDF download. Once you've highlighted the text, look for the Attach Link option and click on it. This action opens up a new dialog where you can configure the type of link you'll be attaching to the button. Inside the link settings, select the File option. This setting is crucial as it allows you to link directly to a file, like a PDF, that visitors can download. Once you choose File, you can upload your PDF to Squarespace and link it directly to the button. After you've done that, make sure to click on Save to finalize your changes. Your PDF is now linked and ready for download. Congratulations! Now, you can preview the page to ensure everything is working properly. When your visitors click the button you just added, they should be able to download your PDF seamlessly. And there you have it. A simple way to offer downloadable content on your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching and happy designing!